lacking new subscribers, so now I'm playing with Play-doh. Let's just open this up. I already smell it. And yes, this video is absolutely going to be made for kids because it's Play-doh. Why would it not be made for kids? I'm just getting all of my tools. For some reason, the last time I played with this, I put all the Play-doh cans at the very bottom. Yellow, red, magenta, white, green, brown, orange, pink, polar bear white, which is like a whitish yellow, and black, my least favorite color, permanently. So, we have many things to work with here, but I think I'm going to use the spaghettifier. Is this thing. You load up Play-doh in here, and then you press it down really hard, and it shoots out spaghetti noodles made of Play-doh. But don't eat it. It's bad for you. Alright, it is time to make spaghetti in this thing.
Even for me, this is tough to push. Okay, I made spaghetti.
Good. Alright. I need the knife now. Because with this plastic knife, don't use a real knife. You might hit yourself and get cut. Take the plastic knife that you were provided and just push all the spaghetti off. Separate every single noodle. Now, next thing on the menu. Cannot use yellow because I said so. And that rhymed. So, come on, man. Let's go. The master. Or, not really, actually. Okay, so. Now, I take the orange plate, and what do I want to cook? A piece of pie? Yeah, sure, piece of pie. I take the brown Play-doh. Where's my scoop? Here it is.
Stick it to the other Play-doh. It won't stick. Why won't it stick? It always worked in the videos that I saw as a kid. Why isn't it working now? It worked for them in the videos. Doesn't it? Am I supposed to like pinch? How did they do it? I'm just going to take a risk. I'm just going to pull it out with my fingers. Alright. Here's our piece of pie.
Isn't that going to be so yummy? Okay. Red or pink? I assume you want pink. I'm just assume it means guess. Hey, so I don't know why my hat is shiny in this part, but it is. So yeah, we'll just have to deal with that. By the way, in case I cut that part out earlier, I have moved the camera. I'm about to show you how much Play-doh it took to make this. The container is completely empty. Flatten it. I remember when I was a kid, I used to like always flatten Play-Doh with like my shirt, so I was like, ugh. Anyway, so yeah, now I just take this and I put it in there. Wait, no. I put it here. Yeah, no, I put it in. Put it in the lollipop. Or the popsicle. It's a popsicle. Okay, so now what I do is I press it together as hard as I can. I take off all the edge stuff. Now I open it up. First I sit down. Doesn't that look awesome? You know, when Play-Doh was first invented, it was actually a tool to like help clean walls or something. Like repair them. Like you just slap some Play-Doh on, let it sit for a while, and then your wall, if there's a dent in your wall, it's fixed after letting that Play-Doh sit there for a while. Isn't that yummy? I'm eating a noodle. I hope you liked the video because oh gosh, no, don't fall, please. It had a lot of Play-Doh like this. I'm going to put it away now. Well, don't watch me put it away. Go subscribe or something. Don't watch me put it away. I have things to do. Why are you watching me put this away? Go like the video or something. I'm just going to stop the video now so you can't watch me